Hi, I'm going to show you how to use the Veracity self-service tool for citation checking. So the first step is to go to groundedai.company. You can click Login in the top right. If you already have an account, you can continue to sign in. If you don't have an account, you'll have to contact us via our website or reach out to us directly. I click Sign In, and we're going through a typical login procedure. I can now see the self-service upload portal and my previous uploads. I can upload a file for processing by clicking on this box here. I can now select one or multiple files for processing. Once those are selected, I can press upload. And after a few moments, I should see those appear in the table and their progress. And this will take several minutes for a document to process. Once a document is finished processing, I can click on the file name in the table, and that should take me to the report. You should also receive an email notification when a document has finished processing. You may be using Veracity as part of a team, but in this view, you'll only see documents that you have uploaded and you won't see those that your colleagues have uploaded.